Oof. Back on the gin train. So this is 135 East Dry Hyogo gin or Hyogo Dry Gin out of the Kaikyo distillery in Japan. Angelica, coriander, juniper, sencha, yuzu, shisho leaf, ume, and sancho pepper. All ingredients I love. This is putting me on a picnic blanket in a park, late spring, not too hot, in the shade of a tree, eating pickled vegetables and drinking tea highballs. If anybody's in my area in Dallas and wants to do that on a Monday, maybe have someone playing a guitar. 2024, we're bringing back guitars in parks and conversation with gin and pickled vegetables. I don't know if we're bringing it back. I don't know if it ever was, but we're making it happen. Ooh. Set me up 3 shots. Let's do green tea or milk oolong, a shot of this gin, and a shot of miso broth. And I'd be good to go.